Hello, this is NAVIFORCE Watch unboxing review time. Let's open the box and find what I have bring you today. First of all, we can see there is our guarantee card. We will always provide you 1 year guarantee. And then, oh wow, this is our latest design. It's a multifunctional watch. Okay, then here comes to our watch. Wow, a very nice multifunctional analog and chronography watch. The model is NF9197. First of all, let's have a look at the screen. There is the data about this watch. And as this is a multifunctional watch, and we will need to know this manual book will provide you. There are 8 kind of language, and it's that and all the modes. There are 4 modes about this modes here, and if you want to see how to set all the single functions, you can read this book and will teach you how to set it. And now let's have a detailed look at this watch. Wow, it's really very nice. I like this color so much. Okay, as I have shown you just now, this watch we got 4 modes, 4 functions, and when we press this button we can change into different mode. Now I will show all the 4 modes to you. Now when here comes to the AL means we are in the alarm clock mode. And ST here means we are in the stopwatch mode. And here the second window flashing here means we are in the time setting mode. And press again this button, so that here we comes to the normal mode. And let's have a close look at the windows. This window on 9 o'clock position is the second window, and the window at 12 o'clock position is the time display window. And here this window we can see here shows is the date window, means what date is the today, and this is the week window. And also you can see when the second window flash, and there's the icon, and here and follows the seconds and flashing. And also we can see there are 5 buttons for this model, and all of our LED watch, this button we call button A, it's for turn on the LED light. Wow, so clear, isn't it? And also the hands and the indices will have the luminous coatings. I will now turn off the light and show you the light, the LED light and the luminance. Okay, now here the stage is I have turned off the lights, and we can see the hands and the indices have the luminous coatings. And when I turn on this button A, wow, it's so clear, the LED light. Okay, let's see more details. Okay, now welcome back to the stage. I have turned on all the light. And let's see, this case we use is the origin case, and this model, because we have a dual movement, so that we can see this is a very large case with double layer case. The upper layer is the silver color, and the back shell here is the blue color. It's a very nice fashion blue color combine the silver watch band. And also we have look at the watch band. Here is our logo, and 2 steps to open the buckle. Here I want to show you the back case. Yes, the back case, we can see the model number at the center, NF9197. Okay, actually this model we got 5 colors of the stainless steel watch band. I will show you them all. Okay, welcome back. Here are all 5 colors about these models here. Just now I have shown you this wonderful blue color. And now I will want to introduce the next color is the basic color silver combined the black color. And we can see there, wow, it's also very nice color combined. And the dial color is a little gray combined the black color. And the 4 button is silver, but the crown is black, the same color as the back shell. And it's very nice, the watch band. We use the stainless steel watch band, and the buckle is very easy to open and to wear the watch. Alright, to try this on my wrist. It's really very nice. I love this watch. Okay, do you like this basic silver one? The next color I will show you is the green one. Yes, the green is also a very fashion color. Now the green color is very popular in this recent year. Also the watch band, it's silver. The 4 button and the crown is silver too. The back shows we can see there are 2 colors combined, silver and the green color. Do you like this color? Turn on this button so we can clear to see the LED light. Okay, the next one is the black color. It's also a very nice color I like, because the black color combined the rose gold. It's very cool, I think. The black color is a little serious, but combined with the rose gold, it's very fashion, and I think it's more easier to match their clothes. And turn on the LED light here. Is it amazing? Okay, the last color is the golden one. As I always say, the golden color is a rich color. If you are very cool and change the fashion guy, I think that you must not miss this golden one. And turn under LED light here. So here is what you can see. Tried it on my wrist. But why I think when I wear this watch, it seems my wrist is stronger. Okay, this all color for this model. Which one is your favorite? And now all the fine color have in our online stores. You can search our NAVIFORCE stores and buy any of them. This is all for today. If you want to see others model, just don't forget to subscribe our video account. Okay, this is all for today. See you next time. Bye.